I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Whoa! I'm a fucking billionaire! We did it! We did it! Hooray! So yeah, let's start with my first store. What are the products that are in my first store? Yo, currently, which is still currently and still is not going to be restocked because we already have a full inventory. The first stock we have in a baby shop is Rolex Daytona times 10 in stock for the price of $999,999, approximately 1 million United States dollars. So yeah, I have approximately 1 million United States dollars and the shipping costs 6 million United States dollars. So yeah, I have Rolex Daytona in the baby shop one, and then we have glowing LED light football, which is worth over 600 United States dollars. And then we have Grip Master 3000, which is worth also $200 million, $200. And then we have a EBOIGBI privacy iPhone case, which is worth over $49.99, approximately $50. Alright, so yeah, the next product in our store which you get to see and which I get to show you is in EBOIGBISHOPS. EBOIGBISHOPS 2, which I get to show you is in EBOIGBISHOPS 2. So in EBOIGBISHOPS 2, all our products are worth approximately for store is $1 million. We have a $1 million 5 Audemars Piguet Royal Oak double balance wheel open box 154120R rose gold double balance white wheel oak, which is worth $1 million, and the shipping costs over 6 million United States dollars. We have 5 Rolex chronograph. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have over 5 Rolex chronograph, which is worth over $1 million, and the shipping costs 6 million United States dollars. We also have 5 Rolex Sea Dweller 400C, which is worth over $999. Which is worth over $999,999, approximately $1 million, and its shipping is cost 6 million United States dollars. We do also have 5 Rolex Daytona. 5 Rolex Daytona is also worth $1 million, and then the shipping is worth over 6 million United States dollars. Alright, now next we also have in a EBOIGBISHOPS 3, we have 5 Audemars Piguet Royal Oak double balance wheel open work frosted, which is worth over $1 million, and the shipping costs $1 million. We have 5 of these watches, and it's 5 of these watches that you get to have when you get to order this $6 million 5 Audemars Piguet Royal Oak double balance wheel open work frosted. You get to have 5 of these products. And then next we have 5 Rolex Sky Dweller 42mm white gold Care meteorite dial bracket 326959 RBR, and it's worth over $6 million because you get to order one of it. You get to order 5 of it rather. You get 5 of this product. You get 5 of Rolex Sky Dweller 42mm white gold Care meteorite dial bracket 326959 RBR. You get to have 5 of this product. And then to our next Rolex is 5 Rolex chronograph pink gold Dato compact jean cloth Killy water Rev 6036. Yes, so you get to have 5 of Rolex chronograph gold Dato compact jean cloth Killy water Rev 6036. You get to have 5 of these for the price of 6 million United States dollars. Price of 6 million United States dollars is $1 million, and then $6 million for shipping. Alright. Then you also get to have 5 Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Perpetual Calendar White Gold Fully Set Diamond worth $1 million United States dollars and $6 million in shipping. Alright. Now we get to a EBOIGBISHOPS 3. In a EBOIGBISHOPS 4 rather. Now in a EBOIGBISHOPS 4 we have 5 Rolex Daytona 116595 RBOW Rainbow Daytona New. 5 Rolex Daytona R116596 RBOW Daytona New. Yes, and the shipping costs $6 million, while it's worth over $1 million United States dollars. Alright, so next we have 5 Rolex Daytona Rev 6265 Paul Newman dial 28XXS for the price of 1 million United States dollars and 6 million United States dollars in shipping. Alright, next we have 5 Rolex Daytona Rainbow 116593 Super Rare 1000 NOS full set. Yes, you get this full set stickers for the price of 1 million United States dollars and the shipping of 6 million United States dollars. Alright, and next we have 5 Rolex Daytona chronograph Ever Rose Daytona Factory Diamond Rainbow Edition for the price of $1 million and shipping cost 6 million United States dollars. I'll repeat this one again. 5 Rolex Daytona chronograph Ever Rose Daytona Factory Diamond Rainbow Edition for the price of $1 million and then 6 million United States dollars. Alright, next we have EBOIGBISHOPS Deluxe. In EBOIGBISHOPS Deluxe, we have 5 Rolex Daytona Champagne Pour Numa Dial 18K Yellow Gold Oxidized Case, which is worth $1 million and the shipping costs 6 million United States dollars because you get to have 5 Rolex Daytona 6241 Champagne Pour Numa Dial 18K Yellow Gold Oxidized Case. You get this product, you get 5 of this watch each, 5 of this Rolex Daytona 6141 Champagne Pour Numa Dial 18K Yellow Gold Oxidized Stars. You get 5 of them for the price of $1 million and shipping costs 6 million United States dollars. Alright, then we have 5 Rolex Daytona Rainbow, which is cost 1 million United States dollars and then the shipping costs 6 million United States dollars. Okay, and then next we have 5 Rolex Daytona 6241 Paul Newman Gold, which is cost 1 million United States dollars and the shipping is worth 6 million United States dollars. Next we have 5 Rolex Daytonas 11659 ATBR Eye of the Tiger, which is worth over 1 million United States dollars and the shipping is worth over 6 million United States dollars. I will repeat it again because this is the last one for EBOIGBISHOPS Deluxe. This is 5 Rolex Daytona 11659 ATBR Eye of the Tiger, which is worth 1 million United States dollars and the shipping is cost 6 million United States dollars because you get to have 5 of this product. Alright, now we are in EBOIGBISHOPS 5. I do believe, yes, EBOIGBISHOPS 5. In EBOIGBISHOPS 5, we have 5 Rolex Daytona 16598 RT30W set out got 2013 Rainbow full set for the price of 1 million United States dollars and the shipping cost over 6 million United States dollars. The next product we have in our catalog is also 5 Rolex Daytona 116576 TBR Arabic Ice Blue Dial Full Stickers 2023, which is worth over 1 million United States dollars and the shipping is cost 6 million United States dollars. Alright, next on we have 5 Rolex Daytona Rainbow Factory setting with diamond lodge mint condition, which is worth over 1 million United States dollars and the shipping costs over 6 million United States dollars. Alright, and next on our store we have 5 Rolex Sea Dweller 40001660 Comex NOS, which is worth over 1 million United States dollars and the shipping costs over 6 million United States dollars. I'll get to repeat this to you again so that you guys can hear this for the last time for this EBOIGBISHOPS 5 before we move to the next store, which is owned by me too. Alright, so the last product on the EBOIGBISHOPS 5 is 5 Rolex Sea Dweller 40001600 Comex NOS, which is worth over 1 million United States dollars and the shipping costs 6 million United States dollars. Alright, so next on our list we do have EBOIGBISHOPS 6. EBOIGBISHOPS 6, okay? In EBOIGBISHOPS 6, we have set of 4 expensive Rolex Daytona Rainbow Daytona 6241 Paul Newman. Set of 4 expensive. Now 4 expensive Rolex Daytona Rolex Rainbow Rolex Daytona 6241 and Paul Newman. You get 4 each, like 4 of Rolex Daytona Rainbow, 4 of Rolex Daytona 6241, 4 of Paul Newman, and yeah, that's exactly what you get 4 of those items for the price of $1 million, and the shipping costs 60 million United States dollars. So technically, you're getting 4, 8, 12, 16. You're getting 16 watches out of this. So 16 of our watches is cost the worth of $1 million and 60 million United States dollars in shipping. All right. And next we have sets of 4 expensive Rolexes and Audemars each. So yes, you also get sets of 4 expensive Rolexes and Audemars each, and the total compilation of this set of 4 expensive Rolexes and Audemars each are 16, 4, 8, 12, 16. You get 16 watches each of Rolexes and Audemars between each other. If you want to know the type of Rolexes that you get, visit our store, and then you can click on the description on EBOIGBISHOPS 6, and then in the description you see the categories of watch which you get to have under the Rolex and the Audemars, which is worth the worth of 60 million United States dollars. Alright, so next on we also have set of 4 expensive Rolexes, each Daytona Sea Dweller chronograph for the worth of 60 million United States dollars. And yes, the 60 million United States dollars in shipping, why it costs $1 million to order and 60 million United States dollars for shipping. Alright, and then we have sets of 4 expensive Rolexes and Audemars each, which is also worth 50 million United States dollars, 50 million United States dollars in shipping, and it costs $1 million United States dollars to sell. So approximately you're getting 16 watches out of this, and approximately 16 times 4. If you're good at maths, you have to know that 6 times 1, 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 3, 18, 6 times 4, 22 or 24, 6 times 4, 24, so 24, and then 6 times 2, 12, 6 times 2, 12, okay, 13, 14. So approximately, I did get to know that, but I'm going to use a calculator for this. Okay, hold up a second. So yeah, approximately there's over 64 watches. There are over 64 watches in this category in EBOIGBISHOPS 6, which you get to order for the price of $50 million in shipping and $1 million in sales. Alright, and if it's $60 million, hold up a second. That means the total value of EBOIGBISHOPS, the total value of our EBOIGBISHOPS 6 is worth over 240 million United States dollars. So the total value of EBOIGBISHOPS 6 is worth over 240 million United States dollars. Alright, so yeah, we have EBOIGBISHOPS Elite. EBOIGBISHOPS Elite, we sell very expensive watches, and yes, the prices are definitely going to be high. So in EBOIGBISHOPS Elite, we have set of 10 very expensive Audemars each, like 10 expensive Audemars each, and there are 4, so 4, like 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are selling 40 very expensive Audemars each, which is for the price of $1 million in order and 100 million United States dollars in shipping. I will repeat it again. Set of 4, 10 in each Audemars. We have 10 different. If you want to know the type of Audemars watches that are there in the store, you can simply go to EBOIGBISHOPS elite.bigcartel.com, which is definitely going to be in the description, and then you can now see the different watches that we have, the different 10 watches in the description. You understand? I know you understand, and I get you understand. So yes, we have over 40 watches per row in the order. Okay, then we have set of 10 very expensive Audemars Piguet each, Royal Oak each, also 100 million United States dollars in shipping and 1 million United States dollars to order. Alright, and then next we have over a set of 10 very expensive Audemars each, Piguet, which is worth over 100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then $1 million to order. Alright, next we also have set of 10 very expensive Rolexes and Audemars. Remember what I said, set of 10 very expensive Rolexes and Audemars, and then we have them in the description for 100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then 1 million United States dollars in ordering. So approximately 40, 4, 8, 12, 16. There are approximately there are approximately 116 watches in this current store, in this EBOIGBISHOPS Elite, and they are all worth approximately 400 million United States dollars, and that's exactly what the store is worth. Okay. Next, we have EBOIGBISHOPS Elite. EBOIGBISHOPS Elite, in the first store, we have over a set of 10 very expensive watches each. Philippe. Yes, we also have, that's for the Philippe version, which is worth 100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then 1 million United States dollars to order. I repeat again, set of 10 very expensive watches, Philippe, $100 million in shipping and $1 million in ordering. Alright, and that is worth approximately 100 million and $106 million in total. But yes, you get to understand what I'm talking about, because I'm talking about Philippe watches. And then we also have in the next store set of 10 very expensive Philippe watches, also different brands, is different from the first one. If you do want to check the list and the description, you can simply go to EBOIGBISHOPS Elite 2 thebigcartel.com and you get to order these watches for the simple and easy price of $100 million. Or if you have some couple $1 billion in your account, you can simply order all your watches in my store, because they are worth approximately 1.2 billion United States dollars. Alright, so yes, we have set of 10 very expensive Philippe watches. Each watch is 800 million United States dollars. Each set of 10 very expensive Philippe watches, each with $100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then to order is $1 million. Alright, and then the next one we have over here is set of 10 very expensive Philippe watches each, which is 100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then 1 million United States dollars to order. And then we have set of 10 very expensive Audemars Cartier Patek Philippe watch. Yes, that is 10 in each. 10 in each of these watches. I will repeat it again. 10 in each of these watches. So we have 10 Audemars, we have 10 Cartier Patek, and then we have 10 Patek Philippe each. If you want to check the watches that we have, 10 of these watches is what you are going to get, and you get to see them in the description. I hope you're corresponding with me, because I do believe that you're quite educated to understand what I'm talking about, and I'm respecting your maintenance, and your retention. So yes, I do understand what you're talking about, and I do understand what you're trying to say. So yeah, we have over 100 million United States dollars in shipping, and then we do have over $1 million to order. Okay, finally, you've gone to the end of this video. My store is currently worth over $1 million, and I'm so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm very grateful. But the road doesn't stop here. The road doesn't fucking stop here. I'm gonna make everlasting quadrillion United States dollars. I'm gonna make fucking everlasting quadrillion United States dollars. Everlasting quadrillion. It ain't stopping here. He ain't going anywhere. I'm making fucking everlasting quadrillion United States dollars. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, you get to witness it. I'm gonna be fucking rich. You're gonna be fucking rich. We all are gonna be fucking rich. Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. That's how it's gonna be forever. Everlasting trillion. Everlasting motherfucking trillion. Everlasting trillion. Everlasting bastard trillion. Everlasting every fucking everlasting fucking trillion.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.